Here I've got MOTOROLA Moto G7, and let me show you how to activate installation of apps from unknown sources on the following device. So at first you have to open list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Now locate and open apps and notifications, and here you will find advanced, so just open those functions and here go to special app access, that's the last option here, and now smoothly click on install unknown apps. And here, as you can see, you can give permission to some particular application. So for example, if you would like to allow it to Chrome, just click on Chrome and allow from the source just by tapping on the switcher. And now it's active. You will be able to download and install some app through Google Chrome. Then you can do it for any other app, so that can be for Gmail, Facebook, and so on. And that will be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.